and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I turned 11 and I hope you enjoy learning coding with me. So now, last time we learned about using PyCharm. Now let's open a project or a new file. Today we will be learning about lists, which are pieces of code that can hold many informations. So a variable which can hold many informations. So for example, favorite desserts, cookies, cake, ice cream and donuts. But it can also hold a list of integers. And it can also hold a list of Boolean expressions. So it can hold many things. It can even hold a mix of a few things. Let's make a mix of how many cookies we ate and if that's true or false. Okay, so it can hold all of those three together. So mix, and lists are put in these square brackets. To make them, you'll have to go to option 5 and 6, and then you'll find the square brackets. So cookies, and when you're putting a string, they have to have single quotes, a comma and a space to separate. 5 cookies and 2. So all of this can also be held in a mix, but we can also make a mix of different facts, such as, let's say, some facts about cars. So 4 wheels. They also have different colors, and we can add more facts at other times. So next is, lists are also ordered, and lists are really useful to make sure that two things are exactly the same. So now let's make a new list called more deserts, with more deserts. Well, not necessarily more deserts, just the same as my favorite desserts, except 1 or 2 of them should be in a different order. So here I mixed donuts, I switched donuts and cookies. So now, as this are, let's check if both of them are the same to the computer. If the computer thinks that both of them are the same. So over here, more deserts, same as my deserts. This is a comparison operator that we learned in a different video, and it makes sure that both of the values that you're comparing are exactly the same. Now print, and let's delete this, and now let's run it. Now it's saying it's false. The reason why it's saying that it's false is that, so first it checks if both of them have the same objects. So my favorite desert has cookies, cakes, ice creams and donuts. This also has donuts. It has donuts. Both of them have cookies, both of them have cake, and both of them have ice cream. But in which place are they? So cookies is in the first place in my favorite deserts, and in the more deserts it's in the 4th place. And cake and ice cream are in the same place, but donut is at the last place in my favorite deserts, and in the first place at more deserts. And therefore it's showing that it's wrong because it's not ordered in the same way. Next video we will be learning more about lists, Bye and see you next video. If you would like and subscribe and share, it would really motivate me to teach more.